This picture from Pinterest is my DIY inspiration. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today I have a DIY tutorial. This is going to be a picture frame used with this cute little camper from Dollar Tree along with the little red truck signs from Dollar Tree. So first I'm going to sand this down and get rid of all the glitter that is at the bottom, and I'm going to show you in the next clip quickly how I did that. I chose these two picture frames because of the shape and the width, and that way they would stand up and I could attach this box next to it. I'm using paint to cover the bottom, and you can choose any type of paint because once you remove the glitter you're fine, so it will stick, as I'll show later on with the acrylic paint, and this is in Cashmere Tan from Dollar Tree. The next paint that I'll be using is this Rust-Oleum paint, and it is in Linen White. The next item you will need is a little container or storage box, and this storage box is from their new section in Dollar Tree. The next items is some type of adhesive, glue gun, or any type of E6000. So next I grabbed some sandpaper. This is in 60 grit, and this is a coarse sandpaper, and I just went vigorously side to side to remove all of the glitter, and as you can see, parts of it, the glitter has already come up, and that is the only thing I used to remove the glitter. So now I am using the acrylic paint that I picked up from Dollar Tree in Cashmere Tan. Acrylic paint will stick to it. I have done 2 coats with this particular paint to get a good full coverage and the color that I'd like to see, and you're just going to go over it, allow it to dry completely before you do a second coat. Next, these are the 3 items that I'm going to paint using this Rust-Oleum paint, again in Linen White, and I'm just going to paint all 3 and allow them to dry before I do a second coat. For this next item, you're going to need 2 of their red truck pieces, and these are wall arts and they hang up, and along with a box, and this box could be from anywhere. This one I picked up at Dollarama last year. Next, you're going to take your sign and you're going to attach it to the little tray or basket. So when you lay it down, you're going to put the basket, line it up with the bottom, as you can see here, not by the wheels, but you're going to line it up at the bottom as I'm showing you here. That way, the wheels technically will be standing on its own and you will not see the bottom of the basket. Next, you're going to flip around the box and repeat this step with gluing down the red face to the other side. Sorry about losing that footage, but just to, I will show you later on how the picture looks. That way you can see exactly what I mean. You're going to grab your box and your 2 picture frames both facing outwards. So that way you can turn it upside down to put in your pictures, and you're going to glue the box to the top of the picture frames, leaving a gap between the edges. And you see me turning it around to glue it so that I can get it equally placed. And that's only if you're using the frames that I chose to use. Now the camper is being added, and it's going to be added on a bit of an angle because you only technically have 1 wheel on the camper and it is going to be in tow, so that is why it only carries 1 wheel. Finally, I painted the other sign of the camper, and I'm now just going to attach it to the other side and having both of the signs facing in the same direction. Here is the final product. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming DIYs. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.